Hi everyone, the question is the fractional part of a real number x is x minus gent of x, where this gent of x is the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Let f1 and f2 be the fractional parts of 44 minus 2000 minus root of 2017 whole to the power 2017 and 44 plus root of 2017 whole to the power 2017 respectively. Then f1 plus f2 lies between the numbers. So first of all, try to realize that 44 is less than root 2017, which in turn is less than 45. Yeah, so here 44 minus under root 2017 is some negative fraction, whole to the power some odd number is again a negative fraction. Yeah, so here if I say this to be, let's say, x, so here you have x is equal to greatest integer part of x, or rather integer part of x, you may say greatest integer or gent of x plus fractional part of x, which is supposed to be f1. Yeah, so since x is in between -1 and 0, this gent of x would be -1. So here you may say f1, this x is equal to f1 minus 1. Yeah, and this expression let me write as its integer part, that means gent of it, plus its fractional part, which is f2. So if you add the two, you get what? You get f1 minus 1 plus I plus f2 is equal to 44 minus root 2017 whole to the power 2017 plus 44 plus root of 2017 whole to the power 2017. So here the root part, when this root part or root 2017 gets odd power, so numerically or in absolute sense, the two terms of these two expressions would be same, but they will cancel out if odd power is given to this under-rooted term. If even power is given to this under-rooted term, then in both the expressions the terms would be exactly same and they would add up. So effectively you would get 2 times, you would have 2017 C0 44 to the power 2017 plus 2017 C2 44 to the power 2015 times 2017, basically root 2017 whole square it is, plus so and so forth. Yeah, so here if you see carefully, here I minus 1 plus f1 plus f2 is equal to some even integer, some even, in fact, natural number. Yeah, so that means what? That means f1 plus f2 would also be an integer. Now how is that? Because if right hand side okay, this is an even integer, the important thing is this right hand side is an integer, and since I is an integer, I minus 1 would also be an integer. So that means if right hand side is integer, I minus 1, this expression is integer, then f1 plus f2 would also be integer. Yeah, now here if you see carefully, f1 and f2 both lie in this interval 0 open to 1 open. So what about f1 plus f2? So f1 plus f2 would lie in this interval 0 to 2. Yeah, so the maximum value they may tend to is 2, and the minimum value that they may tend to is 0. So if f1 plus f2 is supposed to be an integer, based on this understanding, you can say that f1 plus f2 can only be 1, because in this interval there is just one integer which is coming, which is 1, and what we want is f1 plus f2, which is turning out to be 1, which lies between 0.9 and 1.35. C is the answer. Thanks for listening.